Thursday road boots sizing and fit guide. Let's get into sizing. I did notice the back of my heel slide up a bit and rub on the back of the inside of the boot when I step, which I can see leading to premature wear on the inside with that added friction. I know Thursday suggests to go a half size down, but I went true to my sneaker size as I usually always wear, since that's what I got with my captain boots, which worked well, but the rogue seems to run a lot bigger for me. Or perhaps the ankle area around the strap is made a bit big since I buckle the strap to the smallest position available and still have extra room. Maybe that's making the back of the heel slide up and rub when walking. I do suggest getting at least a half size down, or maybe even a full size down or more from your sneaker size to prevent heel rubbing on the inside of the back of the boot as you step. I actually ended up going 2 full sizes down from what I usually always wear. This has stopped the heel slipping for me, which leads me to believe I may have more narrow feet to go 2 full sizes down. Now, you ask if I would recommend these Jodhpur boots at $199 USD. Find out, watch my next Thursday boot videos.